Hey there wonderful and gorgeous viewers, and welcome back to the channel. I've got something special for you, and we're diving into a unique adventure, which is a New Year's backyard travel right here in Maddela, Quirino. Our relatives and their friends from the southernmost region of Luzon joined us to welcome the year 2024.
Malalasin kayo! Yan! May dala kang gin!
I decided it's time for some backyard travel due to persistent rain or unpredictable weather, some cost-cutting, and to ensure that they don't miss out on the beauty around us. Now getting far from home is a bit tricky due to the unpredictable weather, but I have chosen the perfect spot, which is a hidden gem and the nearest spot for sightseeing, the creek under the Ngilinan Bridge, just a stone's throw away, offering a fantastic backyard sightseeing experience. To make it more exciting, I brought them in 2 batches since our tricycle couldn't fit everyone. Things took an amusing turn as we reached the creek. Everyone seemed to be camera shy, and they were all hiding from a camera. Camera shy, but strangely addicted to selfies. If you can believe that, it's quite the paradox.
Ayo kami! Narikot!
Artista ko yung go.
Mag-iba na pa siyo!
Bayan. Binukit na nga ni. Ang pinanggaan mo kaya mara magtadi.
Despite it being a backyard adventure, I firmly believe that preparation is the key to a successful outing. Armed with a plastic crate filled with an array of goodies, bread, corned beef, mayo spread, apples, and the whole thing. I thought we were well prepared, but as fate would have it, the unplanned and unprepared aspects caught up with us. The food and drinks fell short, leaving us resorting to sharing a shot glass and a tumbler for our cocktails and soft drinks. Our concoction of choice for Danny and me was a blend of RPG or Red Horse beer, pineapple juice, and Ginebra San Miguel gin. Meanwhile, for the ladies opted for Coca-Cola as their soft drink of choice. It is an unexpected twist that we found ourselves sipping our beverages from a shot glass and mixing the cocktail in a bowl because I forgot to bring a pitcher. Despite the problems, it added a dash of spontaneity to our impromptu gathering.
Huli din na magiging!
Oh!
siguro dyan sa iyo.
Oo.
Now let me tell you about the highlight of our laughter-filled adventure. Imagine the creek with slippery rocks and the soundtrack of joyous laughter echoing. It all started innocently enough with someone slipping on those tricky rocks. Laughter bubbled up like a concert only to reach its loudest point when a tiny creature decided to join the party. Aunt Marilu, in her usual cheerful self, suddenly became the star of the show when a leech decided her foot was the perfect dance floor. Panic ensued as she let out a scream that echoed through the creek, and in her frenzy, she grabbed a stone and started a dance of her own, attempting to shake off the uninvited guest. I watch and film the comedy since I am armed only with a camera, and there is nothing I can do when my aunt turns into an unwitting leech dance instructor. My cousins and their friends rushed to her side in a heartwarming twist, puzzled and concerned since they were as clueless as I was, and because who expects leeches in the flowing creek? Little did we know that Aunt Marilu seemed to have a one-on-one encounter with creek creatures that the rest of us missed, or maybe, just maybe, her imagination had a wild moment. You might think a leech encounter would dampen our spirits, but no. We turned it into an opportunity for more fun and embraced the unexpected, as we decided to explore upstream on foot, and it was the most unexpected turn of our backyard adventure. The upstream exploration turned our day into a mini nature expedition. Unprepared yet again. Some of us weren't wearing flip-flops or proper wading shoes. Cloudy skies and a chance of rain, but the sheer beauty around us was too tempting to resist. Gorgeous greenery enveloped us, rock formations, and a cave can be seen from a distance, as if inviting us to venture further into this enchanting backyard oasis. We covered a distance of 700 meters upstream, and every step was a revelation. The beauty that unfolded around us was nothing short of mesmerizing. Denny and I took the lead in navigating between magnificent rock formations, as we were explorers on a quest. Our mission was to survey for potential risks and ensure safe passage for the ladies through what seemed like a hidden mini forest. The area between the rock formations was like stepping into another world. Lush greenery embraced us, creating an enchanting atmosphere that felt straight out of a fairy tale. We decided to wait for the ladies along the river bank after our impromptu survey. The anticipation was high and our excitement reached new heights as we envisioned the ladies experiencing the enchanting scenery we just encountered. We seized the opportunity to snap some memorable photos, and freezing those magical moments against the backdrop of nature's wonders. What a luck, as it turns out, there is a resort across the creek. We just walked upstream and there was no need to pay an entrance fee for the resort situated right in front of the captivating rock formations, offering us a full adventure or experience without spending a peso. Nature surprises just kept on coming, making our backyard travel even more extraordinary. We continued on our adventure, as we decided to venture into the heart of the rock formations. We chose the path with fewer shrubs, making sure our ladies could explore without any hindrance with safety in mind. Broken glasses and some trash at the entrance of the rock formations was an unexpected sight. It's an obvious reminder of the responsibility we all carry to ensure the safety of others and preserve the environment. It's sad to see the aftermath of actions that disregard the well-being of others and Mother Nature. But we are undeterred and we pressed on, determined to make the most of our backyard exploration. As we reached the end of the rock formations, our expectations faced another twist. What we thought would be a hill adorned with trees turned out to be a corn farm. The hill recently harvested stood as a testament to the changing landscape around town. It's a bittersweet realization that the hills are scarce of trees. Forests were often sacrificed for agricultural needs. Our decision was clear that we chose to hike upon the barren hills rather than descending along the riverbanks, contemplating the impact of such transformations on the natural beauty of our surroundings. Our journey continues, and every step, we hope to raise awareness about the importance of preserving our environment for future generations.
Para kita ilong.
Harap ka.
As the day continued its gentle descent into dusk, we found ourselves halfway downstream and decided to let the creek guide our way.
Air brake. Ugi. Opo. Sana madulas ka.
Walking along the water's edge and at times, swimming downstream, and we surrendered to the current by allowing the creek to be our ally in this final chapter of our backyard escapade. The clouds cast their shadows upon us as we floated and strolled downstream, our joy echoed against the rocks and trees lining our watery path. It was a sudden dance with nature, and a moment of serenity mixed with the thrill of the unknown. We glimpsed my aunt and others are preparing to leave as the day transformed into twilight as we approached the bridge. The impending darkness forced us to bid farewell to the creek, but not before adding an unexpected twist to our journey. I am faced with a logistical challenge because our tricycle couldn't accommodate everyone at once. I proposed an unconventional solution that my relatives have to climb to the top of the bridge. It was like a mini mountaineering experience. With my tricycle perched on the bridge, I bring the first batch home. Then with a heart full of satisfaction, and a tricycle ready for round 2, I returned for the rest. Exhausted yet elated, we reflected on the day, the impromptu picnic, the laughter, and the unexpected adventures. It might have been tiring, but it was undoubtedly a day well spent in the heart of our own backyard. Until next time, here's to more unexpected journeys.